My God, I feel the glory of God right now. You were not so stuck on yourself that you would, I'm not going to fast now. No, it's time to consecrate. It's time to make that which is holy. Consecrate. We get the word consecrate. If you're making that holy, you're declaring that this is holy. My. I know I'm this, that, and the other, but I'm declaring that I'm holy because He lives inside of me. The presence of the Lord is inside of me, and I can't do with the presence of God what everybody else does. Can I tell this audience, when you look at who you are not merely breath and breeches. What are you talking about? You're not really that facade. You are more than that. God has created you in the very image of God. You were created from dust and dirt, but you were made to look like God. So when I tell you, young man, and I tell you, young woman, you pastor that you're listening even now, you're looking at us right now. No, it's not that we have it all together, but we have a God that we are connected to. And that God that we're connected to, He can pick up the broken pieces of our life. Ooh, thank you. He's the potter. We're the clay. When we talk about this Eagles Landing Summit, all we are instruments in the hand of an awesome God. It's nothing special about us other than that God has us in His control. What are you talking about? The Bible says we have this treasure. It's in earthen vessels, that the excellency might be of God and not of us. It's not about Daryl Dion Woodson. I'm the only one who hosts this. I'm the one that called the people together. That's all I could care. Everything else is God's doing. We have a wonderful team. We have a wonderful team that's been led by Overseer Sandra Jones out of the Valdosta area in Georgia. We have members of our team who are even here local. But it's not about us. We have an awesome array of people who will come that are locally that will actually serve with us. And I like to, if I can tell you who's going to be coming on the 15th, where we actually start the services. I'm sorry, on the 14th, we will have Evangelist Latrice Ryan. Evangelist Latrice Ryan will start us off on the 14th, which is at 7 o'clock at El Shaddai. I'm sorry, all of the services will be held at El Shaddai Pentecostal Church of Christ, that's located at 3977 Willowview Avenue, which is in the East Memphis part of town. And on the 15th, we have Pastor Carlos Rogers, who will be ministering Morning Glory at 8 a.m. that morning. We have a leadership session by Overseer Jones, and then I will teach an adjutant session that morning also. At 7 o'clock that evening on August the 15th, we have Bishop Vincent Thorpe. He and his congregation, along with other leaders, will come and he will break the bread of life to us. On Friday, which is August the 16th at 8 a.m., we have Pastor Alan Hardwick, who will come and share with us in the Morning Glory, which starts at 8 a.m. A leadership session with Overseer Sandra Jones. I would teach another session for the adjutants, and then that evening, which is the final night, if you will, and I will be speaking what the Lord gives me on Friday the 16th. And then the last session, which has become one of the earmarks, Pastor, of this, and is what we call impartation. Okay. The impartation, while we have been imparting all week long, this is a time where we're not in our clergy, we're not in suits and ties, El Shaddai, we're not in any other thing other than we're coming in T-shirts. The Eagles Landing Summit has its own T-shirts, and so they'll be able to find that information out on the website. Okay. But we're just coming in T-shirts and jeans, and it's a very relaxed environment, but it's been one of the most powerful because it's the time where you release. Anytime that there's been an eagle who has been wounded, and the eagle is being brought into, if you would, a captivity state, not so that it can be harnessed, but so that it can be healed. Whatever the amount of healing, if it's a broken bone, if it's a broken wing, if it's something, a beak or something, after there's a period of healing, you just don't leave the healed eagle in the cage. You have to release.